SNA Sort 8 Unusual Plurals. Last week we also worked on plurals when we were figuring out which words we just add S to and which words we added ES to. And please remember that you add ES to words that end with CH, SH, X, or S. This week we're going to look at a couple of other changes. Whenever a word ends with an FE, the F actually changes to V and you add an S. There are some words that just change the vowel, and there are actually some words that don't change spelling at all and can be plural, which means more than one, or singular with the same spelling. In those cases, you have to know if it's singular or plural based off of the sentence. So let's take a look at some samples. In this sort, you're going to end up with words that are pairs. So we want to put them next to each other, like wife and wives. Now you only have 3 spots here, so it's going to push it out. Foot and feet. There's only 2 words that they're using as examples of the no change, so I'm just going to put them over here on the side. One of those is sheep. So that could be one, or it could be more than one. I'm just going to stick it, maybe I'll put it here so you can see it. So I'm going to be looking for the pairs. Do you see how the F changes to V and then we add an S at the end? Wife to wives. And then here we change the vowels. Foot to feet. Let's look at our other examples. We have knives. That's the plural because there's more than one. I'm going to put it here because that's a VES. Geese. This one's a vowel change and it means more than one goose. Lives. It's a plural. Deer. Look at that deer. Oh, there are so many deer. It's the same. There's no change in this one. Fish is also another word that could mean one or more than one, singular or plural. Mice. This one is a vowel change from mouse to mice. Tooth. Tooth is a singular of teeth. Leaf. This one ends with an F, so I know it's going to go with my F change. And that's just one. So I'm going to put it here. I'm leaving space here for my singulars of the other one so I can match it. Loaves. It's got a V in it, so the singular must have an F. See, I have to gotta very carefully puzzle this together. Leaves. Oh, there's the plural of leaf. Leaf. Leaves. Wolves. There's an V in here. This is our F to V change. Goose. There's our singular of geese. Goose to geese. 2 O's, same thing happened to 2 E's. Women. There's a change of a vowel here. Woman to women. There's our singular. Teeth. There's our plural for tooth. Wolf. Do we have that one yet? Yes, we do. Wolf to wolves. Here's our mouse. We're filling our puzzle in. Mouse to mice. Loaf. Knife. And our last word must be life. You can write down in your sort record today that you know that when you want to make a word plural that ends with F, it changes to V. So F changes to V when you want to make a plural. And also sometimes the vowel will change to make a plural. And finally, sometimes the word doesn't change at all when it goes from singular to plural. Now go ahead and write that down what you learned and cut apart your sort. Please remember, don't cut off your header and your title.